All right, Opal, are you ready for something called a dot talk?
Sure.
Okay, all right. I'm going to scroll my screen down.
Yeah, so we can see the surprise. And I was also seeing some stuff.
Oh, did you see a little bit of it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get comfortable. Okay, well, I'm going to show you very quickly
And the others?
some dots. Okay?
And
And
is it for math? So like math?
yes.
Oh.
And normally when I do
Please
this,
put this pillow.
normally when I do this with my students, there's like 20 or 30 kids in the room. And so we have like 20 or 30 people to see the dots differently. And we only have the two of us. But that's okay, because we can maybe just come up with lots of different ways that other people would see it. But we're going to start off by...
and there's the rope thing.
Yeah.
I love that thing.
Okay, I'm going to show you some dots.
Okay.
And I want you to tell me how many dots there were and how did you see the dots?
Okay.
Okay? And I'm only going to show it to you real quick.
Uh-huh.
So you're not going to be able to like slowly count them. You're going to have to like quickly think, oh, how many dots are there and how do I see them?
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Wait, I can't really get it.
I know.
Why?
How many dots do you think there were?
There was...
Oh, I see you like using your finger in the air, like you're thinking about what you saw.
11!
Okay, where did you see the 11?
Well, I know that it was... Can I draw?
I'm gonna draw. Can you just tell me?
Okay. There was like one line on the top.
Okay, one line on the top. One line of dots on the top?
No. Yeah.
Okay. Make this a little thicker. Okay, one line of dots on the top.
Uh-huh. And then one more line on the...
Was it the same amount or longer or shorter?
It was like here. It was like, whoops.
You gotta just tell me with
It
your
was
words.
like this.
Like diagonal?
Yeah.
Like this?
No.
Oh.
Like this.
Oh, like here?
No, you connect them.
Oh, connect them. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I saw one going back this way, but connecting.
Like this?
And then, yeah, and then you do it again, except you do the bottom line.
Like this?
Uh-huh, and then
Okay.
you do it back that way.
Okay.
And then you keep doing it.
Okay.
And then you do a little dot in the middle.
And there was a dot in the middle?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
That's
You know,
what
I've had high school students that describe that to me.
Really?
Yeah. So you think there were 11 dots and they were in that shape?
Uh-huh.
Okay. That's a really good first one. I said opal number 1 there. I'm going to put what I saw. And this is kind of cheating because I have done this a lot. But the way I see it is a row of dots on top. And then I see a longer row and then another row. And I can't remember how many dots I saw. But I do remember that there were 2 here. And I think there were the same amount on bottom.
Okay.
Okay, so are you ready to look at it?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoops, 7, 8. Oh, there's 8. I wasn't really right.
Let's count one more time and just double check.
Can you?
You want me to pound? You want me to like, okay, so 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, 7.
Okay, you think it's 7 now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you said 11 the first time, but now you want to change your answer?
Yep.
Okay.
7.
Okay.
7.
Now, do you still think that your visual here, I call this a hexagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides.
About why it's called a hexagon.
Yeah, hex, it means 6. So,
Oh.
so where do you see the dots in your visual here?
Well, now I did see it like one. Well, actually, I forgot. But I think I saw it like that. But now or like one right there and then one right there.
One right there and then one right there.
But now I see it like one there and 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 one there.
Got it. Yeah, I'm seeing the 2, the 3, and the 2. So I also see 6 dots. And what I'm seeing is that the 2 dots plus the 3 in the middle plus the 2 equals the 6. And it kind of looks to me like you're seeing these 6 plus the 1 in the middle. No, I'm sorry. I said that wrong. These 5. Whoops. These 5. Wait, what am I saying? I'm being silly. It's late. There we go. 7, not 6. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7. So you saw these 6 plus the 1 in the middle equals 7. Is there another way? So what we have right now is we have my first way of seeing it, which was just these 3 horizontal lines. And then you saw this hexagon, which is really cool.
Yep.
Which makes sense, hex, 6, and the 1 in the middle. Is there another way that you see it?
Well, maybe like, I just noticed that, like a square like that.
Okay.
And then maybe like a line.
So what I saw you just do with your fingers is this. So like you have the 4 that make up the square.
I didn't get that in mine. Sorry.
And that's okay. And then the 3. So that's 4 plus 3 also equals 7.
Oh, that's so cool. I forgot.
Cool. Okay, here's another way I see it. I see, this is Mama. I see 2 diamonds.
Oh.
But they like share a dot in the middle. You see that?
Oh yeah, I do. I do see that. I thought you were talking about a diamond, like just for that shape for a second.
So if I had to write like a number sentence, these are called like number sentences or equations. I know you haven't learned that yet, but that's okay. I would say that this is 4 dots plus another 4 dots to make up the other diamond. But this one in the middle got counted twice, so I'm going to subtract 1 and make 7. It means take away. Subtract means take away. Yeah. All right. Can you see another way?
Where's the next one?
What next one?
The next dots.
Oh, well, I mean, can you see this another way?
Well, maybe like a triangle, and then a dot, and then a
Like
line
an upside down triangle? Okay. Let's see if I can draw that. That's okay. So this is opal number 3. See a triangle. Oh, I think Jasper wants you. Okay, so a triangle and a dot. And then how did you see these? You saw a line?
A line and then another, and then...
Like a line and then another dot. So that would be 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7.
Yeah.
All right, here's my last one. We could keep doing this. I see a lot more.
Yeah, this is just so fun. It's even not making me tired.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I see a diamond again.
Oh.
And then I see this, like, thing right here.
That's kind of like mine.
Oh, like this one? I don't know. I think it's different. Like, I saw a diamond, you saw a triangle.
But it's also kind of different because this side is the same.
Yeah. So for me, this would be 4 dots and 3 dots make 7. Look at how many ways we saw, how many different ways we saw how to make 7 dots.
1 is 1, 2, and 3, right?
Yeah.
3.
And then I saw 1, 2, 3 also.
1, 2, 3,
Math is
2.
pretty creative, huh?
I love
And look at how
math.
many different ways we can split up numbers too, like all the different ways. So cool. You know, if we wanted to, I found this by just Googling dot talks. We could do another one. Yeah, they can.
Oh.
There's all
we
these
do
dot talks. We
another
could do
one?
another one.
Can we
Not
do
tonight, though.
another
It's
one?
too late.
Aww.
You want to say goodbye to our friends?
Bye.
What did you think of our dot talk today?
I think it was fun.
Did you learn anything?
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll keep doing them.